that got me right there because my bear call spread got tested and I got scared and I sold out way before that I needed to. Way before I needed to. Right? So
We trying to get paid.
Making money, make it dollar,
We trying to get paid.
making money,
Make it save and invest. Stacking up checks. Let's go.
what's going on, everyone? Terry Julian here with a quick video. Zero DTE does work. Zero DTE does work. I took a small loss on a trade today. You're going to see my balance fluctuate here because I do have some futures options in the background you can't see. But you've got to get really good with direction. If you are going to trade options that expire the same day you're trading them, you got to know this. A same day option experiences 6,000% more gamma than a 45-day option. Your gains and losses as the position moves, as that underlying moves up or down, that fluctuation will fuck with your mind. And you've got to really be mentally strong with trading a option that expires the same day. That's day trading, period. But very, very, very mentally, very, very much, it takes a lot of strength to trade 0-day DTE options. Unless you have a system, again, that system that I'm writing about in my book right now, that I'm almost done with, I promise you. But even with the system, 40% of your trades are losses. And you've got to be mentally strong. I took a loss today. And losing sucks, man. Losing sucks. You got confidence in the system that over time you'll win, but losing freaking sucks. Losing freaking sucks. And it gets back to what I'm trying to say. You've got to get really good with direction if you're going to trade zero DTE options. You've got to be able to look at the chart and say, what direction are we going in? And this is I got the day breaks here, right? I got the session breaks here. So this is today's movement. This was Friday. This is Thursday. We got super directional on Thursday, right? So what are iron condors made of? They're made of a bear call spread and a bull put spread. So obviously we get super directional like this. We just going to go ahead and do those bull put spreads, knowing that we're not coming down. We're just going to be selling those out of the money puts expiring that day. But with today's price action, right, you've got to be able to look at the chart and say, hey, I'm going sideways. I've got to, get out of the money with the bear call spread out of the money, and then a bull put spread outside of the money as well. But it doesn't have to be too far out the money because the trend is going higher. But as you can see with today's price action, we pulled back. We actually pulled back to the open, right? To the price of the open. And that got me right there because my bear call spread got tested and I got scared and I sold out way before that I needed to. Way before I needed to. Right? So, the strategy works. The strategy that I'm going to present does work. But again, you've got to be mentally fucking strong to trade every single day in the market. You can make a lot of money doing this. You can make a lot of money trading every single day, folks, with zero DTE options. If you know and get good with supply and demand and resistance and direction, right? And direction. You can go with XSP. You can get SPY, but you better close them trades real quick, right? Or SPX, which is what I like the best. All right. And most strategies are going to tell you to go on SPX because it's liquid. You can get it out really relatively quick. And, if you just let your trade expire to, expires into cash. All right. So folks, learn how to trade this. I know you got your thing you got going on, but this can make you some money. This can make you some money if you know what the fuck you're doing. If you're a good trader, right? You know how to trade direction, you know your supply and resistance, you can make a lot of money doing this. Right? You can make a lot of money doing this. Get a TD account, paper trade it. Paper trade it. Don't even use real money, paper trade it. Your trades are like $800. They're like $800, even less somehow, most of the time. And as the day goes on, the trades get less expensive because the options are expiring. Now you got to be careful with creating positions at the end of the day because your out of the money ranges get smaller, right? Because we know that a 5 Delta Iron Condor at the beginning of the day is wider than a 5 Delta Iron Condor at 3:30. It's going to be way different, right? So you got to be careful with that. Man, I just wanted to put that out there, man. You got to be emotionally strong to trade ZERO DTE Iron Condors. This is your boy Terry Julian. I'll be back with another video soon.